Next question, question number 14. In the given figure, AP is parallel to BQ is parallel to CR. Prove that area of AQC is equal to area of PBR. Let me draw the figure first. So this is the required figure. We have to prove that area of these three lines are parallel, which is given in the question. AP, this line is parallel to BQ. This line again it is parallel to CR. So all these three lines are parallel lines. We have to prove that area of AQC, this triangle, okay, this portion, full portion, AQC should be equal to area of PBR, this portion. So how can we prove these two triangles are equal area? So since triangle ABQ, so ABQ, I am taking this portion only, okay. So the triangle ABQ and PBQ, I am writing these two triangles in triangle ABQ and triangle PBQ. These two triangles having the same base BQ, correct? Same base BQ, and both are in between the parallel lines, which are the parallel lines AP and BQ. So I am taking ABQ, this triangle, and PBQ having the same base BQ and between the parallel line AP and BQ. So we can equate their area. Area of triangle ABQ should be equal to area of triangle PBQ. I am putting it as equation number 1. Okay. Next I am taking the next part. Triangle BCQ. BCQ and again triangle BRQ. Next triangles in triangle BCQ and triangle BRQ. BQ, BQ. Both have the same base BQ, correct? So same base BQ and both are in between the parallel lines BQ and CR. Correct? So we can equate these two triangles areas are equal. So area of triangle BCQ is equal to area of triangle BRQ. Putting it as equation number 2. Okay. Next I am adding these two equations. Area of ABQ. So left hand side we will get area of triangle ABQ plus here it is area of triangle BCQ. Area of triangle BCQ is equal to on the right hand side area of triangle PBQ plus next area of triangle BRQ. Area of triangle BRQ. So if we are adding these two, you can check here ABQ, this triangle plus BCQ. Adding these two triangles, we will get ACQ or AQC. We will get this triangle, correct? So instead of these two, we can write area of triangle AQC is equal to, here it is area of PBQ, this triangle plus BRQ, this one. We will get here PBR, this full triangle, correct? So instead of these two, we can write area of triangle PBR. So now we got these two areas are equal. This one we have to prove here. Okay. Next question number 15. I will explain from the note. Okay. Diagonal AC and BD of a quadrilateral. So first of all, we should draw one quadrilateral. AC and BD are the diagonals of this quadrilateral intersecting at the point O in such a way that area of triangle, it is given in the question, area of AOD is equal to BOC. So these two portions areas are given, areas are equal, which is given in the question. We have to prove that ABCD, this quadrilateral, is a trapezium. So we have to prove this is a trapezium. That is why I drawn it as a trapezium. These two are parallel lines. Okay. So it is given that AOD and BOC areas are equal. So I am starting with this one. Area of AOD is equal to BOC. AOD is equal to BOC, which is given in the question. Okay. Next, I am adding area of AOB. This portion on both sides. On both sides, I am adding AOB. So, on the left hand side, we will get area of AOD plus area of AOB. On the right hand side, we will get area of this BOC plus area of this AOB. So area of AOD plus area of ABO. If we are adding these two triangles, we will get ABD. Correct? So I written here area of ABD is equal to, on the right hand side, BOC plus AOB. What we will get here? BOC plus AOB. So on the right hand side, we will get this triangle ABC. So on the left hand side, we will get area of ABD is equal to area of ABC. Okay. Next, we know that triangles on base, same base. So in these two triangles, we will get two common, means one common base, correct? AB and AB. So we know that triangles on same base having areas equal to each other lie between the same parallels, correct? So here we have same base and already we proved that the areas are equal. So we can say that if it has same base and it has the same equal area, then we can say that these two triangles are in between two parallel lines. Okay. So we can write here these triangles ABD and ABC are lying between the parallel lines. So what are the parallel lines here? AB and CD are the parallel lines. So now we can write, because ABD and ABC, these two triangles have a common base AB and these two areas are equal. So we can write here, if having same base and equal area, then it should be between two parallel lines. What are the parallel lines? AB and CD. So we can write AB is parallel to CD. So if opposite sides are parallel, any pair of opposite sides are parallel, then we can write here ABCD is a trapezium. This is the required proof. We have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay.